Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I bought this BF23 mount for my tank bag, and I think that it's gonna work perfectly on Yamaha Tracer 9. As you probably know, I have a tank bag from GIVI, and for those of you who are interested in my review of that bag, please check it up here. But right now I would like just to mount this tank ring, or let's say tank lock mount, on my Yamaha Tracer 9. So what you get inside you have this plastic that goes on the top. And here we have also the screws, and these are just very little pieces that go in the 3 of the holes when we put out the standard screws. So let's do it together. The instruction says that we need the Allen key, 3 millimeters. So this is a very little Allen key that I have here, and that we have to remove these 3 screws from the standard fuel tank tap. One thing more, guys, we just need another Allen key, and this is number 4 to remove the screws here. So let's do it together. Okay, the last one is out. So keep these screws on a safe place, because when you're gonna sell your bike you will probably need them. So the next step is to put these little parts, let's say, inside this hole. So 1, 2 and 3. First of all, now we have to put the ring here. It is aligned now, as you can see. So this is how it looks just before we are gonna screw it. Now it's time to put this circular metal piece that will be screwed on the plastic, hard plastic part, and we just screw one by one. We have to be careful not to over tight them, just screw it a bit initially, and after we are gonna tighten them. This is the GIVI tank lock bag, and we will gonna put it now on. Let's see how it works. Okay, what do you think, guys? I think that it really fits very well. So it is maybe it's a bit high, but I think that it is very, very stable and well on the fuel tank.